Good afternoon, everyone. Let us wait for 10 minutes. Okay. After that, we'll start the session. Okay. And good afternoon, Milton. Good afternoon, Konduru. Good afternoon, Rohi. Sean Rohi. Good afternoon, Ajay. Okay. Let us wait. Good afternoon, Arshita. Good afternoon, Momina. Let us wait for 10 minutes. After that, we'll start the session. Okay. I will look into chat a little bit later. Okay. Right now, I am setting up my laptop. Okay. So if you have any doubts or anything, just put it in chat box. But I will be reading after 2:30. Okay. Okay, let us start. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Nagireddy. Good afternoon, Kishore. Good afternoon, Sneha. Good afternoon, Vaishnavi. Good afternoon, Siri Buddhu. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So let us start. And I have a few announcements. So kindly listen up. Just give me a moment. Hmm. Okay. So good afternoon, Bhargav Prasad. So see, uh, some students asked about this. That sir, I have registered for full stack development, but you are receiving mail for uh, Gen AI course or Salesforce course. Remember that you have changed the registration, etc. Okay, let me share my screen. Wait. Am I audible? Give me a thumbs up if I'm audible. And also if my screen is shared. My screen is shared. Hmm. So see here. You see this team SIP, okay? Team SIP, okay? You have to write a mail. So this is for those, okay? This is for those who have queries regarding track change, okay? Or any problem in their, let's say, registration problem, okay? So this is the mail, okay? Team SIP @ SmartBridge, okay? So those who are getting any issues, let's say, you are getting problem, right? That you registered for something else, okay? You registered for something, let's say you registered for Salesforce, but now you have changed the course from Salesforce to full stack development. So you have to write a mail like this, okay? Because there was this problem with who is this, Anu Mukonda Hari Prakash, that you received a mail for full stack development, but your attendance was given in AI and IBM course. So Hari Prakash, what you have to do? You have to write a mail for this problem. So this is for track change, okay? Track change means you have left Salesforce development and registered for full stack. You have left AIML. You have left ServiceNow. Now you are in full stack development, okay? So you have registered for full stack development track, okay? So but you are facing problems, okay? You are facing problems. So write a mail here, okay? So I have asked ops team, so you have to write a mail here. Clear this much? Now one more thing regarding ICC portal, okay? Regarding ICC portal, okay? Regarding ICC portal, what is the problem? So whatever problems you are facing, okay? Problems regarding ICC portal, okay? So you have to contact your college, okay? You have to contact your college faculty, okay? So you have to involve your college faculty, okay? So these are the things that you have to do, okay? Clear this much? Hmm? Clear, guys? Understood? Understood, guys? Okay. So these are the things, okay? So queries regarding the track change, you have to contact team sip@smartbit.com. Okay, you have to mail regarding anything that you have changed. Let's say you have come from Salesforce to full stack development, okay? Full stack development. Okay, so you have changed your program, okay? So you have to mail, okay? Attendance problem, any problem, you have to write team sip@smartbit.com. And the problems regarding ICC portal, okay? Problems regarding ICC portal, okay? ICC portal, IIC portal, sorry, I think IIC portal, my bad. IIC portal. So for problems regarding IIC portal, you have to contact your college faculty. Okay, understood. YouTube party also understood. Okay, no, we are not streaming. Okay, let me see the chat box. I తర్వాత sign in, I apply for internship చేసి తర్వాత Bharat is correct. Nice, Bharat, thank you. How to get MongoDB promo code? You have to watch the video, Ishwar Sai. You have to watch all the units. Okay, after that, yes, Sheikh is correct. Okay, and we also have Mr. Rohan as our mentor. Okay, so he'll be looking into, okay, he'll be looking into doubts and all. So okay, so understood. Give me a thumbs up if you understood what you have to do when you are facing problem. Sai Pawan, nice. Understood, right? Okay, so for IIC portal, you have to contact your college faculty. Okay, and regarding, like, let's say you have changed from Salesforce to full stack dev and you are facing attendance problem. Okay, facing attendance problem. Okay, facing attendance issues or something, attendance problem. Okay, so you have to mail to teamsip@thesmartbit.com. You can take a screenshot, give it to your friends. Okay, whatever it is you do. Okay, okay, it is not here. Okay, understood? Clear this much? Okay, so you have to, I'll paste it here also. Okay, so these are the things regarding problems. Okay, regarding problems and queries. Okay, understood? I think everyone understood this much. Clear? Let's start. Okay, clear, I think. Understood? Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, let us start. After this, what we do? What? You have to click on next. After this. After this, I think you have to click on next. This is the step. Okay, it is there in my hard drive also. I have shared a student manual. You can look into the steps. Okay. I have shared it in my Google Drive. Okay. If you want, I will again share it. Okay, let us start. Okay, clear everyone. Give me a thumbs up. Let us start React. Okay. So some people have raised hands. You can put it in chat box, guys. Okay, let us start. Now everyone open your VS Code. Okay. Everyone open your VS Code. Everyone please open your VS Code. Okay. Open your VS Code. Okay. So I am opening my VS Code. Okay, and I will open the folder. Open the folder. Okay, so my folder is practice React. Okay, also those who have missed yesterday's class, I have put practice React folder here also in the drive, so you can look into it if you want. Okay, so here is our Pokédex folder. This is our Pokédex folder. This is our Pokédex folder. Okay, inside practice React app, we have Pokédex folder. So I will open my terminal. Okay, so I am inside practice React, but I want to get into Pokédex folder. Okay, so if you are getting in your terminal, if you are getting like this, I will go to this down arrow. and click command prompt just for simplicity's sake. Okay, so you have go to terminal, new terminal, you will get your terminal, and I will, if you want, you can go to this small down arrow, click on command prompt like this. Okay, so you will see your, are you seeing your Pokédex folder? If you are not seeing your Pokédex folder in command line, there's a problem. That means you are outside. So what I will do, I will go inside my Pokédex. So how? CD, sorry, CD space Pokedex. CD space, if you are unable to see, I'll zoom in. CD space Pokédex, press enter. Now I'm inside my Pokédex file. Okay. So one thing is that I deleted my node modules folder. If you have your node modules folder, no need to do anything. I don't have node modules folder, so I will do npm install. Okay, why I don't have? Because I was moving this file into this Google Drive, this practice React. Okay, so I was dragging the code here. That is why I do not have it. So node modules is not necessary. Okay, so we delete it when we like we want to give it to someone else, or we want to upload it on GitHub. Okay, so we will understand what is node modules folder and all these things. Okay, so I will do npm install, press enter. Okay, and what did we do previously? So you have this folder structure, okay, and you will be wondering what is this actually. Okay, so we will understand it more clearly. Okay, so you have this readmd file. Okay, do you know about this readmd file? So this readmd file is nothing. It gives you information regarding your code. Okay, what you have written here. So we have not written anything. Have we written anything? No, we have not written anything. Okay, this is given by Wheat. So I will just remove it. Remove everything. Okay, and save your the file. Okay, remove everything and save the file. Understood? So I have removed everything in my readmd.md. Okay, so this is the first thing that I've done. Okay, so this is actually a markdown file. I will use this file to write some important notes sometimes. Okay, so if you do not know about this markdown file, we will discuss it more. Meanwhile, let us run our app. So everyone is inside like this practice React Pokédex. Now, which command do we use to run yesterday our React app? Let us see who remembers. Which command? Which command we will use? Correct, Meena. Mahant, correct. Sir, I completed MongoDB, but I didn't get promo code. Give me a screenshot of your learning path in your learner dashboard. Correct, correct, Sheikh, correct. Sir, I didn't get those folders. Naveen, you didn't get those folders. That means your React environment is not set. This is your React environment, okay? So this React environment is not set up. Chandani is correct. So let us do npm run dev. Npm run dev. Enter. You will see this link, okay? I will copy this link and I will paste it here. I am getting this. Are you all getting this? Give me a thumbs up if you are getting this. So I've just copy pasted this, or you can also use control button or mouse click. Control key and mouse click also will do. When you will press control key and when you press mouse key, then also your code will be written. Okay, it will be like your app would be running. Your app would be running. Okay. 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 So we got the attendance also. Nice. Understood? Anyone who is not seeing the output? Everyone is seeing the output. Give me a thumbs up. Everyone is getting. So let us actually build stuff. Actually, we will do proper front end engineering. So who's this dislike one? Somebody disliked. Okay, are you not able to run? Somebody is not able to run. If just explain like what are you, sir? Is it showing I have successfully completed the course? Check your email and type voucher, VOUCHER. Okay, okay, understood. Now see what we will do. We will try to understand this file structure. Okay, okay. So you see this dot git ignore. Dot git ignore is used when you want to push your code into GitHub. Okay, do you know what is GitHub? Okay, GitHub is a version control system. Okay, it is like what should I say? It is like a think of it like a registry. Okay, think of it like a registry where it has a record of what you do. Okay, like a diary. Okay, so like in GitHub, what you do, you push your code. Okay, and whatever new changes you have, you will like simply save it and push it. So what happens, your computer is connected to GitHub. Okay, so like if you do not know about version control system, like see, it is very easy. I'll just show you. Like let's say there is git. What is git? Okay, so I'll just let me see if there is any image. No, I don't think there is. Okay, so this is the git. Okay, so what it does actually, it will save your code. Okay, it will save your code, and even if you do not delete your code, okay, it will be always stored like this. So it is like a directory, storage directory for your application. Okay, for your code, for your program. Okay, also you can work in teams, you can work with different teams while using GitHub. Okay, so this is like very important. If you do not understand, just see, we won't be pushing anything in GitHub in this course, we won't be doing it, but if you want, you can look at yourself. So this git ignore means that all these files will be ignored by GitHub. Okay, so when you will push your code, you do not have to do anything. Okay, so this is another one. Then there is index.html file. You see this index.html file? Everyone click on index.html file, please. Okay, everyone open your index.html file quickly. Now you see this in an index.html. You see this body, everyone. Do you see this line number 11? Okay, what you have to understand, very important, your React app, your React app is inside this div tag. Very important. Okay, so what do you understand? Do you understand this comment? Your whole React app is running inside this div. Okay, in this you have your React app. Okay, because understand what is this single page application. Single page application is a single HTML file. Okay, it is a single HTML file. Understood? So you see your single HTML file, this index.html is your whole app. This is your whole app. Okay, and you see this body, inside this body you have this div. This is your React app. Okay, this line number 12 is your React app. Whole React software application is inside this. Okay, and you see this ID, we are catching this div by using this ID of root. So where is it getting used? Let us see. You see, remember this ID root, remember this ID root, remember. Now let us go to src. Src is the brain of React app. Okay, you can ignore everything inside, but you cannot ignore this src. What is this src folder? Brain of React app. What is src folder? Where, Satya? In IIC portal or somewhere else, Satya? Santosh, is it IIC problem? IIC portal problem? If it is IIC portal problem, you have to contact your college faculty. Okay. If there is anything regarding track change or any attendance problem or anything, you have to contact this team sip@smartbit.com. Okay. Exactly, Krishnaveni. Correct. SRC is the brain of React app. Okay. So we will look inside this brain. Okay. We will look inside this brain and we will see. So we have this app.css, index.css. Okay. So what I want you to do before understanding, let us clean this. So what I will do, you see this dot, I will save this comment that I am writing here. Okay. I have saved this. Now everyone go to inside srce, go to app.css. So I am inside app.css and I will delete everything. CSS we will use Tailwind or Bootstrap. Okay. We will use a CSS library. We will not write CSS manually. So what you have to do, go to app.css and clean everything. Go to index.css, clean everything. Okay. Clean everything. Okay. App.css also, index.css also. Done. App.css and index.css clean. Now what you have to do, you also clean this app.jsx folder also. Clean this app.jsx folder also. We will write all these code, okay, ourselves. Okay. Main.jsx. Everyone come to main.jsx and let us understand the code now. Okay. Done. App.css, app.jsx and index.csx deleted. Deleted, everyone. Okay. So let us understand the stuff. So JS, I have you must have known .js is JavaScript. What is this .jsx? What is this .jsx? Okay, so we will understand. But first, let us understand this code. Okay, what is it trying to tell? So you see this. You have this import something from something. Okay, you have this create root. You have this get element by ID, and you have this HTML type of tag. So we will understand everything. First, you should understand, like you see, get element by ID root. What is this root? Who will tell me? What are we catching here? And what are we attaching? Okay, what do you understand by only this? Line number 6. Exactly. Correct, Neeraja. Correct, correct, correct. Yes. So what you have to understand is that this, sorry, this index.html, you see this index.html, you see this index.html, this we are only using one div. Okay. So what we are telling that, listen, I have this root div. What you do, you create a React application using this render function. Okay. And what I will do, like what you can do, you can remove this strict mode if you want. I will remove this. No need to like write it. You can remove this strict mode. Okay. Your wish. Okay. I am removing this strict mode like this. Okay. So it would be somewhat like this. Okay. So you have this create root. Okay. And inside this render, you have this app. So you are telling that there is this app.jsx file. Okay. There is this JSX document. We will understand JSX. Wait. Okay. So like I will write it here just in case. We have attached a React component. Okay. Component to our index.html to our div, okay, div tag inside to the div tag, okay, the div tag inside R. Okay, that would be better. Okay, so I am telling, like, listen, we are attaching a React app, okay, using this render. Okay, so render is an inbuilt function in React. We will understand, but first understand like what are we doing actually. Okay, so we are attaching this root element, okay, and we are attaching this app. So you will understand that okay, this looks like a HTML tag, but it is not an HTML tag. This is actually app.jsx. See, if you click on here, you see this line number 4. It is telling line number 4 that I am importing this function from here, from some file app.jsx. Okay, so this is a function, okay, which looks like a HTML tag. Okay, so we are using this app.jsx and we are attaching it to our HTML. Okay, what is the name of this React component? App.jsx. Okay, clear? So we are using this. Now, if we jump into app.jsx, we will understand it more clearly. Okay. So how will you understand? What you do, write function. I hope everyone has cleaned. So I'll write function app like this. Okay. And then you will use export default app like this. Sorry. Okay. So in React, when you make a function, okay, when you make a function, you have to export it. You have to export it and then you have to use it inside this main.jsx. Okay, so there is import export. You export this file, and for using it, for using any file, for using any file, you have to use import. Okay, you have to use import. Okay, so import is if you want to use anything, okay, whether it would be something from, you see, you have to use it from React library. You see this strict mode which was earlier there, you have to use React for that. Okay, and what is this React library? So in library we use some books. There are a lot of books in the library. You want to pick your own book that you want to read. Similarly, there are different libraries like React DOM client, React, and whatever you want to do, you can use it from that library. Okay, let us come back to this. So this looks like a normal function, but it is not a normal function. Okay, below code represents what? A functional component. Okay, a functional component. What is a functional component? Functional component represents, sorry, represents that uh, represents React code which returns HTML. Okay, so this function is not your normal function. Okay, you will not return logic. Okay, you will not return some logic like 1 plus 1. Okay, no, this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, why? Why? Because we do not, like, I will write a to do, so that is better to understand. Okay, learn JSX and functional component. Okay, so this is our agenda. So this is wrong. Why is this is wrong? Because functional component returns HTML. Okay, it returns HTML. It does not return a normal logic. Okay, it does not return any logic. It returns HTML code. So this is wrong. Okay, this is not you how you write it. So this function is wrong. What is the correct way? What is the correct way? I'll just the correct way is function app like this return. What does it return? Can anyone tell me? What does it return? This is wrong. This logic is you cannot return logic. This is wrong because it is returning logic like normal functions. Okay, so this is wrong because it is returning normal function. What does it return? What does it return? Can anyone tell me? What does it return? HTML, Kiran Babu. Thanks, Rohan. What does it return? Correct, correct. So it will return HTML code. So you can directly write here H1 hello. And if I look into my app, I will see hello. Okay. If I write here something, let's say an emoji. I am getting it. And what you have to do, everyone just right click on this and click on inspect. What do you see? You see only this HTML code is there. Okay, inside a single div you will have your HTML code. Okay, so inside this root div, if you look here, I'll just zoom in. Okay, I'll just use it this way. You see this inside this div you have this h1. That means whatever you will write, that will be attached in this root. What is this root? This root is this index.html or HTML file. Okay, clear? Clear, everyone? Okay, so this is what it is. Now we will understand more things. Okay, we will understand more things. So it returns HTML code. Okay, and what is this syntax called? This syntax. Sorry, this syntax is called JXX. JSX means JavaScript XML. Okay, this is the syntax. Okay, the syntax is called JavaScript XML. Okay, so it lets you can write HTML inside JavaScript function. Okay, so this is the React design. Okay, this is how they designed it. Now if I want to, let's say, add another tag. Okay, another tag, let's say h2. Okay, and I will write my name is Siddharth. Okay, why am I seeing this red line? If I put my mouse here, it will say JSX expressions must have one parent element. Okay, what is this? JSX expressions must have one parent element. What does it mean? What does it mean? Can anyone tell me? What does it mean? Exactly, Chandani. Correct. Can anyone send me the full stack virtual searching for portal last one? Which link? Indupriya? Somebody help Indupriya see if, which internship link in IIC portal, Indupriya? Okay, somebody has given. Vijay Raj has given. Okay, thank you, Vijay Raj. Yes, Kiran Babu. Correct, correct. So you see, this will not work. Okay, this is wrong. Why is this wrong? Because you see that parent-child relationship. Do you know parent-child relationship? If you remember, like let me write it like this. What do you understand? Like let me. Where is? Here this I will use here. Okay. See parent. Don't write. Okay. Don't write. Don't write in HTML. Okay. This is just for practice. So let's say there is this div. Okay. Inside this div, I have this h3. Okay. And inside this, I have some h4. Hello, bro. Something like this. Okay. Uh, oh, hello, bro is coming. Nice. Sorry. So you see this. Which one is parent and which one is child? Can anyone tell me? Among this, which one is parent and which one is child? Which is inside, which is outside? Bhargav Prasad, correct. Okay. So correct, Mahant. Correct, Chandani. So this is parent. H3 and H4 are children. Okay. H3 and H4 are children. Okay. So here also you will see there is no parent available. There is no parent. Where is the parent? There is no parent. So let us make a parent. Let us make a parent div. Okay. Now see, I have wrapped this inside my div. Okay. I have wrapped this inside my div. You see this? This is my div and these are my children. So there should be a parent div. Okay. There should be a parent div. So let us save this. Okay. Also understand that you have to write div in front of return. If you do not write it, if you write it like this, see when I put my mouse, unreachable code. What does it have to return? It cannot read. So you have to put it in front of return like this. See, not able to read, able to read, not able to read, error, good code. Okay. Also understand this, that if you want to want to read this, you can use rounded brackets like this. Okay. You can use rounded brackets like this. So one rounded bracket here and another one here. So then it can work. Then it can work if you want to do it. But if you remove this rounded bracket, you will get an error. It will not be able to read. Clear? So I'll use Control Z. Okay. And I will save it like this. So let us check. So I am getting this, right? Clear? And inside this div only, I am getting this div. Okay. Let us do more. Let us do more. Okay. So what I will do, understood? So it must return. Okay. JSX expression must return one parent element. Okay. Clear this much? Okay. And also you can leave it empty. Okay. You can also leave the parent div empty like this. It will still work. Why? Because in earlier expressions, this was called as React dot fragment. Okay. It was called as react dot fragment. Okay, in old code, but in new code, like see, I have to import react from react library. Okay, so I'm using react library because everything is of react library. So if I want to use react methods, I have to use this command. But nowadays you do not have to use this react dot fragment. So this is called as fragment. Okay, like you do not have to write it react dot fragment. Okay, you do not have to write it. Okay, so this is a fragment. Fragment means a piece of code. Okay, so you can keep it empty like this, keep the parent it empty, and still it will work. Okay, clear this much. Also just see, sorry, also see that you can, let's say you want to use JavaScript, you can use JavaScript. Okay, you can use JavaScript before the return statement. Okay, so before line number 10, I can use JavaScript. See, before return, I can write const um, student is equal to something like shake. Okay, like this, student 1, and let's say Bhargav Prasad. Okay, student 2, like this. So this is a JavaScript code, correct? But I cannot write it here. Okay, like if I write it here, just see, this will not work. Okay, I cannot write JavaScript. It would be looked into like text. This part after return, it cannot read JavaScript. It can only read the HTML. See here, const student is equal to Bhargav. Bro, what is this? This is HTML file is reading it like a string. So this is wrong. You do not write it. Whatever JavaScript logic you write it here. Now, if let's say you want to use something here, how to use it? Simple. I will write, let's say, p tag. Inside this p tag, I can use this parentheses. Okay. And you can also write this function like this. Okay. So this is how you write comment. So this is a comment inside JSX. Okay. So this is how you write a comment. Okay. This is how you write a comment. And the one more thing, I'll just use, let's say, blue. Sorry. Okay, okay, it will work like this. Nice. So see, why is it taking color? Chalo, I'll remove. I'll write it normally. So just pay attention. So whenever you will use this curly brackets inside return, okay, you will enter Java JavaScript world. Okay, so whenever you will use, okay, just pay attention, whenever you will use this brackets, you see this bracket between the tags. Okay, whenever you will use this inside tags, okay, inside tags, okay, I'll just not quite it capital, inside tags, okay, you will enter what? You will enter JavaScript world or JavaScript line. So this is JavaScript. How? You do not believe me? Okay, let us check. So what I will do, I will write, let's say, what should I write? Let us use this Shake and Bhargav. Okay, or let us do it 1 plus 1. Okay, so what I will do, I will again write p tag and I will write 1 plus 1. and save it. You also do it. Everybody's following along. And see, you are getting 1 plus 1. Where is the logic? That means this is not a JavaScript code. It is reading it as a text. But I will comment this out. You can use control front shift. Okay, your wish. Or if you put your curly brackets here and then you save, now what will be the output? I am getting 2. Understood? So when you write this curly brackets, you enter JavaScript land. Okay? Understood? So I'll give you this example. I'll just one here, I'll remove this. In one place, I will remove this. And another place, I will use this rounded brackets, these orange curly brackets, sorry. These orange curly brackets will help you to enter JavaScript. See, here I'm getting 1 plus 1, but this JavaScript one is getting 2. Okay. I can also write it before it, JS. Okay. You can write it like this also. So you will see your JavaScript code and normal text here. Are you able to follow along? Are you understanding? These are basics. Okay. Let us see. Give me a thumbs up if you are understanding. Understood? Show the main.jsx. Okay, sir. I will share. How to run? It is already running. See? Ambati. Your app is not running? Then please check your terminal. Okay. In your terminal, you should see whenever I will save, you will see your terminal is, see, I have saved it 43, 44. Whenever I'm doing control plus S, my React app is updating and it is getting shown there. Okay, here. npm run dev. Okay, you are asking for command, Zambati. So it is npm run dev as told by Santosh. So code I'll be sharing in this drive. Okay, I'll be sharing in this drive. Okay, no sir, same result. Wait, what happened? Mind was disturbed. What happened, Bharat? And highly tension. What happened, Bharat? Any problem? నాకు ఫుల్ స్టాక్ లో కాకుండా ఎస్సీలో వేరే అని చెప్పేది wait, full stack you're not able to apply, Bharat. Sir, telling one stack. Father, what is this MongoDB? MongoDB, see, Bharat. Okay, listen. Global certification is MongoDB certification. Okay, so I will show you. Like if you write MongoDB associate developer exam, this is your global certification. Okay, this is your global certification. Global certification means that this is an international certification. Okay, so it is an international certificate with 150 US dollar. Okay, this is free for you. When it will be free? When you will watch the videos of the link that I gave. Okay, if you want, I will share it again. This is global certification. Okay, why this is global certification? Because this is not Indian certificate. All around the world, software developers who who are interested in database administrations or database, okay, they use this certificate. Okay, MongoDB is a database. Okay, it is a database. It is a NoSQL database. Okay, if you are from computer science background, you would be knowing about SQL. Okay, so this is a NoSQL database. So you will get a voucher after watching some videos, and then you can register for this exam. Okay, you see this 150 US dollar, it will be zero. You don't have to pay anything. Okay, by watching the learning path given by SmartBridge. Okay, if you want, I will share it again. If Rohan has it, Rohan, please share if you have the SmartBridge link for watching the like learning path. Okay, and also for NASCOM, what you have to do? See, in NASCOM, there is a digital application fundamentals course that is very small, that is related to Skill India development. Okay, NASCOM Skill India program. Okay, so that is like mandatory for this internship, for this program. It is very simple, you can complete it in a single day. Do you want the link for that also? We will give it. Okay, next is the IBM skills builder program. Okay, so in IBM skills builder, you will build a chatbot. Why are we building chatbot in that? It will also take like one day only, because it is around, I think, 7-8 modules. You have to just watch the video, follow the steps, and you can build your own chatbot, and you will get the IBM skills certificate. IBM is a global MNC, I hope you know. Okay, so they are providing this learning module. You watch the videos, do the steps, you will build your own chatbot. Okay, and nowadays AI ML is very popular. Okay, everyone is investing on AI and AI skills. So if you will make your own chatbot, it will help you. All of these things are designed to help you. Okay, so these three things are only there. Okay, and what more you asked? Okay, so 1000 limits have been reached. Wait, where is Bharat? Where is Bharat? MongoDB is part. See, MongoDB is part of our course only. Okay, when we'll be starting backend? Okay, like I think tomorrow or day after tomorrow we'll start backend. When we'll start backend, we'll be looking into all of these things: database, server. So we use MongoDB for that. Okay, and NASCOM registration is related to this internship that you are doing. Okay, it is very small. NASCOM registration, it is very small. Okay, I hope like this is what you were asking. If this was not what you were asking, then you can ask again. Like I didn't get your question. Okay, maybe I missed something. Sheikh is asking for drive link. Okay, this is my drive link. Sheikh, where is the? Is there no reply option? Huh? Oh, it is. Shankar Hari is getting blank page. Show me the screenshot of your app.jsx, Hari. Personal learning means that you have to learn yourself. Okay, there won't be any lectures regarding that. And project will start like after this knowledge training sessions. You'll have to have project development sessions. It will start, I think, from not from this week. I think this week, and then after this week. So maybe after 1.5 weeks it will start. Ishwar sign. Attendance I am giving. Let us first see if anyone understands. So you understood this. Now, how will I print Sheikh and Bhargav? Tell me. How will I print Sheikh and Bhargav? You guys will do it. Come on. Do it. Give me the answer, then I will give you the links. How will I print Sheikh and Bhargav? Let's see who knows. You are not running your app. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Listen. You have to run your app. You have to open terminal. Okay. You have to open terminal. Okay. You have to open your terminal. Look into your directory, whatever directory you have. Okay. And then npm run dev. Okay. So I am inside Pokédex directory. Okay. And then you have to first you have to change your directory. Okay. First you have to change your directory and then you have to run. You are not running your app. You have to do these two commands. Hurry. You do these two commands to run. Okay. Then try, then tell me. IBM link. Okay, IBM link you do not have. I will share. No, no, no. Gone are the days, Divyashri, for document write. Munstack IAC link. Okay, you do not have the link. Just give me a moment. So this is the NASCOM link. I hope everyone knows this. So I'm giving you the NASCOM link. So register and watch the videos for this. And the second one, let me see. No, not here. Okay. IBM skills link. Let me see. Santosh is correct, but there is a syntax error. Siddharth is only correct. Siddharth is correct. Tapeta is correct. Siddharth is correct. Vasavi is correct. Bhaskar is correct. Who is this? Only Siddharth. Krishna Veni is also correct. Sai Pawan is also correct. Sheikh is correct. Sitar was correct, obviously. Kiran Babu correct. Instead of my phone number, how can I add my number? Sai Krupa, I have this drive. In this drive, I have given this manual. Okay. Whatever problem you are getting, forgot password, APAR ID problem is there in this manual. Okay. You can check it out. So what I was doing, what I was discussing, I forgot. Okay, skill builder, right? Let me stop sharing my screen and give you the skill builder IBM link. Just give me a moment. Where is that? So I am sharing IBM skill builder link. Okay, everyone register. And for our YouTube party, I am sharing my screen. Okay, just see. So this is the NASCOM link. Okay, NASCOM link for those who have not registered. Okay, so this is the NASCOM link, and this one is the IBM skill builder link. Okay, IBM skill builder link. Okay, so this is the IBM link. Okay, IBM link for chatbot course. Okay, so you have to register. Okay, just take a screenshot or use Google Lens. So this is the IBM skill builder link. I have shared it in the first week itself or second week. Please register and complete it. It is compulsory. Then the next one is this NASCOM link. Okay, NASCOM. This is the NASCOM link. Okay, digital application fundamental course link. It is also compulsory. Clear? You can take a screenshot if you want. YouTube party and the Zoho party both for watching my lectures. Clear? Okay, I am removing this. Okay, if you want, I'll give the link again. Attendance link I am giving. Sir, give me your mobile number. Hey, no need to laugh, Satvik. You can see if you are really confused, just type my name on LinkedIn. You will get me. You can send me a DM there. Okay, if there is a lot of problem, Bharat. No, yeah. Okay, anyone who is facing problem, if you are that much worried, just type my name. You will get it on LinkedIn. Okay, I am the only one who has this name in India. Okay, write my full name, and you will get it along with spelling. Okay, so attendance link I am giving. So everyone is correct. I will just simply write paragraph tag this, and then I will write student one. Okay, and save it. And I will see Sheikh's name. That's it. Okay. So now you are comfortable with JSX syntax. So we will learn more. So I'll give you the attendance link. Okay. I'll stop sharing my screen. So Bharat, if there is anything, you just contact me. Okay. And what about this? This everyone understood? This syntax, this function component. Any problem? Are you guys understanding? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, those who are getting errors, see, it is not a beginner. What should I say? Like all the React environment that we build is pretty advanced for new people. So if you have followed the previous steps that we did yesterday, if you have missed anything, please let me know. Okay, so we can do it again. Okay, also those who are following this drive link, what you have to keep in mind that I have shared the code here in this practice React, but it does not have this node modules folder. Okay, so node modules folder is required to run packages. Okay, like in Python, those who have done Python, you have pip packages. Here we use npm packages, node package manager. Okay, so node modules folder is a directory. Okay, it is very large. It is 1 GB, 2 GB. So we usually, before giving it to someone else or before uploading it on GitHub, we delete this. Okay, so I have also deleted it. If you look into the code, you will not see node modules. Okay, so when you download this folder, Pokédex folder, when you download, you have to do a command npm install. Only then it will work. Okay, I will show you before ending the class. Okay, so I'll unshare my screen. Clear everyone till now? Any problem? Concept wise or anything? Sir, once show your main.jsx code. Okay, Bhargav Prasad, wait. Sir, I'm trying to apply for full stack developer month stack. I'm getting that you're already okay. Okay. Uh, so what you do, Reshma, in starting of the class, I have shared this team@smartbit.com. You have to write a mail and you have to tell them that you are facing this track change problem. Okay. Or what problem you are facing? Whatever applied internship, whatever problem you have to use this email ID, teamsip@smartbit.com. If you are facing IIC portal problem, NASCOM portal problem, sorry, not NASCOM, IIC portal problem, you have to contact your college faculty. Okay, I'm closing this again. Let me give the attendance link. We are having exams from 9th onwards. Uh, okay. I will only assign the project. Okay, or some mentors would assign your project and will guide you how to complete the project. Okay, and if you are facing any problems, they will help you. Satvika. So you have exams. Then I don't know. Probably you can request your college faculty. Just ask them or write a mail that the email ID that I shared just now. Okay, let me give you the attendance link. So, Mr. Rohan, could you just share it on the YouTube chat, the attendance link? Attendance link I have shared, guys. I have shared the attendance link. The chat I have shared the attendance link. Okay, and Rohan would be sharing it on YouTube. Okay, and just in case if anyone is seeing my screen, so this is the attendance link. Okay. Okay, so this is the attendance for today link. This one. Okay. Okay, I'm giving you 5 minutes. Give your attendance. Okay. Uh, what happened, Bharat? Uh, guys, please no misconduct towards Bharat. Okay, he's already like there's already problems. He's in hospital, so please do not like misuse his phone. He has given it to me. Okay, Bharat, you contact me on LinkedIn. Okay, and others, please don't do it. Okay, don't disturb him. Don't create problems for him. So as you can see, he's already in hospital. I request everyone to not like misuse his phone number for silly stuff. You all are adults. Okay, behave like adults. Okay, all the fun when you will be like going into your first development job. You have to be serious, guys. This type of behavior will not be tolerated anywhere. Don't like misuse his phone number, guys. Attendance link I have shared, Sunkari. Okay, this is the attendance link, everyone. Sorry. This is the attendance link. I have pasted in chat box. And for YouTube Gentry, Rohan would be sharing it in the chat. If not, please see it on my screen and use Google Lens. Okay, I am giving you 2-3 minutes to do it. Meanwhile, it will be Hello. Done? See, Satvik, if there's any issue with IAC portal, you have to contact your faculty. But if you are facing any track related issue problems, you have to contact team SIP @ thesmartbit.com. Okay. If you're facing IAC portal problem, contact your college faculty. Okay. So, and Bharat, you can search my name. Okay. Like I'll be writing my name. You just search it on LinkedIn and you can personally message me. Okay. Sarvansho main.jsx. Okay. So this is the main.jsx code. We have not done anything. We have just removed strict mode from here so that we can simply understand. Okay, clear? I hope my screen is shared. Sir, please explain the MongoDB associate exam after filling the details and voucher code. Voucher code and everything is done. Talla Pune. Okay, Sheikh. Let us understand it once more. So, see, this is your function. Okay, this is your function. And this function returns HTML. Instead of returning logic, it returns HTML code. Okay. So whatever you will write, it will be directly shown here. Okay. Whatever you will write, it will be directly shown here. Okay. But the problem is if you want to use JavaScript, either use before the return statement. Before the return statement, you can use JavaScript. Okay. You can write a JavaScript function also, like this function hello. Okay. If you want to write a JavaScript function, it returns uh, hello JS, something like this. Okay. Like this. Okay. So you can write a function before this return. But if you will write this same function after the return, it will be a problem. Okay. You cannot do it. Okay. You cannot do it. Okay. You cannot even put it inside here like this. If you will put it, it will be treated as a what? As a text. Okay. So if you want to use JavaScript code, there are two ways. First is this before the return statement, and second is this curly brackets. Okay. Like if I want to use it, I'll again write P, or without tag also I can use it. Okay. Without tag also I can write student2 and I will get Bhargav like this. See, Bhargav I am getting. So in tag and outside tag also you can use it your wish. Okay. But I will put it inside p tag just in case. This. Okay. Clear this much? So what are the two ways in which we can write JavaScript inside a React functional component? This is called as functional component. Okay. And this type of syntax is called as JSX syntax, JavaScript XML. Okay. This is what we have already done. Okay. I will share the code. Okay. Just read it once again. So this understood everyone till now? Till now everyone understood? Now everyone understood? Yes. Whatever details are there, you have to fill it. Okay, let us understand one more thing, that when you export this import export, maybe you will be confused more. So what we do, let us make a component. Okay. And let us make a component. Go to SRC, right click. Go to SRC, right click, and type a new folder. Okay, right click on src, new folder, and type components. Okay, like this. Press enter. So you will have this assets folder I am deleting. So inside this src folder, you have this components folder. Okay, right click on src. Okay, create a new folder. Okay, right click on src, new folder. Which folder? Components. So inside this components, let us make a component and call it, let's say, new file. Right click on components, new file, and I will write, what should I write? Let's say hello. Okay, hello dot jsx. You can use js also. It will still work because you are inside a React environment. But my suggestion would be to always use JSX because it is modern. Okay, your React code will run. React code will run in JS also, but use JSX. Okay, because it is better, standard, and it is like best practice. So I'll press enter. Okay, now here what I will do? Write a function component. How to write a function component? Always use capital Pascal case like this. Okay. Always use capital Pascal case like this. Okay. Then you have to export it. You have to export it. Export default. So you export your component like this. This is how you export it so that we can use it somewhere else. Okay, so that we can use it somewhere else. Okay, so we export to use the functional component somewhere else. Okay, clear? Now what do we write inside this function? Anybody remembers? What does it return? Does it return 1 plus 1? Does it return 1 plus 1? Is this correct? Is this correct? For writing functional components, you have to write capital Pascal case. Okay. For normal functions like this, you use camel case. Sorry, camel case. What do you? Yes, camel case. Okay. So for normal functions, first letter would be small, but for functional components, please keep it as capital. Okay. Like see in app, I have kept it capital. Here I have kept it capital. Returns HTML code. Bhargav Prasad. Correct. 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 So this is not correct. So I will write here something. I will make a fragment like this. Then I will write h2. And I will write hello, my name is, and I will keep it like this. Right click, format document. You can format. Right click, format. Okay. And again, I will write h2. My age is something. So write it this, then we will understand props. Okay. Like what is props and all. We'll understand that. What we will do now, uh, just comment this out with control front slash like this, or you can keep it your wish. Okay. So what I will do, I am introducing you to the concept of props. Okay. So I has everyone made hello first? Tell me. Everyone made hello component. Give me a thumbs up. Some people are raising hands. Why? Uh, if you want, you can share your screen. Okay, I will make you co-organizer, and you can share your screen if you have any doubts. Satvik, if you have any IIC portal issues, you just um, contact your faculty. Okay, because as I have been told, for IIC portal, contact your faculty for any queries regarding track change or any track change problem. You use teamsip@smartbit.com. You contact them. Okay. So tell me, everyone made hello. Everyone made hello, sir. I fill out the details for voucher code. Give me the screenshot. Chatta, it is there in chat. Attendance. Okay, if you do not have attendance, take attendance link. Everyone, so let us do it. Now what I will do, I will import it. So what you do, you write it like an HTML tag. HELLO. Are you getting this suggestion? Open angular brackets and type HELLO. Are you getting this suggestions? Give me a yes or no. Are you getting this suggestions like this? What about else? If you are not getting suggestions, control key and space bar. Okay. So what I will do, when I will press tab, you will see this import hello from dot front slash components front slash hello. You will see this line number 7. This line number 7 should be there. Otherwise, we will not be able to use hello. Okay. Then I will write this and this. So it is like an HTML tag, self-closing HTML tag. But this is actually how you write a functional component. Okay. Now let us look into our output. Hello, my name is this. My age is that. Okay. Hello, my name is this. My age is that. So I'm getting this output from here. If I copy paste this 2 times, you will see it is getting copy pasted 2 times. Clear? So see, it is very readable and you can use it how many times you want. So what I will do here, I will let her name is equal to Nandini. Okay. And age is equal to, I don't know your age, maybe, I don't know, 22 maybe. Okay. So I am writing here, name is equal to Chandani. Okay. So what is this? We are sending props to our hello component. To our hello component. Okay. So these are called as props. Okay. And what are props? Props are data that we give to, that we send to other functional components. Okay. So props are data. Okay. What are props? Okay. They are data that we send to other functional components. Okay. Props are unidirectional. Unidirectional means they only flow in a single direction. Okay, what do we mean by this? We will understand it. Okay, so what I will do, this is name is equal to Chandani, age is equal to 22. Okay, so for simple terms, here the prop is an object. Okay, key is name and value is Chandini. Okay, understood? If not, don't worry. Okay, we are just getting started. But this you have written, right? This you have written, everyone. Name is equal to double quotes or single quotes Chandani, and age is equal to in parentheses only you will be able to write 22. Now let us go to hello. Go to hello, everyone. And inside the arguments you will write props like this. And then before return statement console.log the props. Okay. First step is write hello. Okay, name is equal to Chandni. So just like HTML attributes you have to write. This looks like an HTML attribute. And when you will go to hello, you have to write this props and write console.log. What are you seeing when you use inspect and console? Click on console and tell me what you are seeing. Let us see. Sir, once again, okay, wait, where it is. You have to book your exam and then you have to schedule your exam Talapunini. Okay, you have to click and you have to then schedule on ProctorU. You have to make a booking. I don't think Lalita there is a problem. Aadhaar card is mismatch or phone number, either one should be correct so that you can access your portal. So you are destructuring, Chandani, correct? You can destructure also, but I want to click on console, and what are you seeing here in the console? Name Chandani, age 22. Everyone is getting this output in their console. What happened, Indupriya? No issues, Indupriya. Not a problem. Are you getting this? Anyone? Everyone is getting this name Chandani? Hello.jsx. Okay. So I am giving this hello.jsx code. This is hello.jsx code and this is app.jsx code. Okay, I've given app.jsx and hello.jsx code. Sir, how to run hello.jsx code? It will see you are inside app.jss, right? See, you are inside app. Inside app, you have your return statement. You are inside your return statement. You are writing hello, so it will automatically run. Okay, see, it is automatically running. See, this is my hello page. This is my hello page. So whatever I'm writing is going to my app.jsx. See, because it is located here, right? Our hello. And we are giving data, name is equal to Chandni and age is equal to 22. Okay. So these are the props. Key is name and value is Chandni. Similarly, key is age and value is 22. Okay. Clear? So this data that I'm sending is going to hello. This data is going to hello. This is the data that we are getting. Okay, this is what I'm console.logging. These are props. If I write here double quotes, comma, props, like this. Okay, if I use double quotes, single quotes, props, and I write comma, props. So this props is what? This name is equal to Chandni and age is equal to 22. See, this is the props data. Clear? So how will I print Chandni and 22 only? I do not want age and name. I only want Chandni and 22. Anyone tell me? Sir, because I registered MongoDB Close with college email and future skills course and I'm with personal email. No, there won't be any problem, Indupriya. There won't be a problem. Only thing is that when you will clear the certification, please download your certificate, okay? That's it. Indupriya? No, I am telling you only. Sir, how to run hello.jsx code? You do not need to run. App.jsx is already running now. See, your app is already running. You are just importing. First, you have to import. First, you have to import, and then you have to write it angular brackets hello like this. That's it. This will automatically run your hello.jsx because you are importing it right here. See, okay, you can write it manually. Import hello from double quotes dot front slash. So I am getting a suggestion of components front slash hello tab key save. See, you will get 2 teddy bears, right? Understood? And just you see here, you see you will get a empty props. Why are we getting empty? Because see, I am not writing anything here. If I write here something like name is equal to let's say Bhargav Prasad and age, let's say 20, and I save. So this data is sent here in this props. Okay, props is equal to what? data that was sent in app.jsx file. Okay. Now see, you will see if you will see Chandni and Bhargav Prasad both. Okay. Understood? So if I only want to print name, I have to write dot name. And if I refresh, you will see Bhargav Prasad and Chandni, because this props data is actually an object. So imagine it like this. Props, sorry, props is equal to an object like this, where name is Bhargav Prasad, comma, age is equal to not is equal to 20. Okay, similarly for this, Chandini, let's say 22. Okay, so this is what it means. Understanding. So this props that you are seeing is this. So I'll just copy this. Okay, that is why when I'm doing dot name, I'm getting name. And for dot age, what it would be? Props dot age. See, I am getting both name and age. If I remove the props here, be getting Bhargav Prasad 20 and Chandani 22. Did you guys understood this part? So it is like key value pair, just like an object. Okay. You are giving this data to a hello.jsx. Okay. It is going to hello. Okay. It is going to hello. And then you can use this data however you want. And I will use this data here. I will use this data here, but you will tell me how. Me. Are you guys understanding? Give me a thumbs up or smiley or something. Today you guys are very less active because such as somebody disliked. Okay, nice. Acha, at least tell me what you are not understanding. Two people disliked. At least write it in comments what you are not understanding. Sir, IIC internship approve in the sir start చేయమంటారా? Internship not started. Internship has not been approved. Is that what you're saying, Niharika? Thanks, PP. Then what are you asking? Internship lo name రావట్లేదు. Sorry, my Telugu is not good. One explain code. Okay. See, we have this return statement inside. Okay. If I just look into our function app, you see this return statement. Inside our return statement, we have different code. Okay. We have p tag. Okay. We have this brackets, curly brackets, which actually give us JavaScript code. Okay. If you want to render JavaScript code, if you want to load JavaScript data, you have to use this curly brackets. Okay. And in line number 37, what we are doing, line number 37 and line number 39, you have to understand that this is a functional component. Hello. We are importing this functional component. Check out line number 7. We are importing this functional component. Okay. Once we have imported this functional component, we will give it some data. We can give it some data. Okay. Right now I'm giving a string and a number. Okay. I'm giving this data to hello.js. This data is in the form of an object that you see. Okay. Clear? So this is just like an object, and you will use dot notation. You will use dot notation to access it. So this props is what? You see, this props is equal to this object. So how do you use this object? Props dot name, props dot age. How I am using props dot name, props dot age. Clear? So whatever you will write, very important. Whatever you will write as arguments in the functional component would be props. Okay. Now let us look into how will I use this item data. How will I use this data in my hello.jsx app? So what I will do, simple props dot name and then props dot age. Clear? Okay. Now let us see. I'll refresh. So my name is Bhargav Prasad. My age is 20. My name is Chandani. My age is 22. Okay. If I want to give another data, some random data, again, okay, I can give my data also. Okay. This is my data. Now what I will see, my name is Yatharth. My age is 28. Okay. So you can reuse this same hello code again and again, and you can provide different data. Okay. You can provide different data. Understood? Any problem in props? Also, you cannot give data from hello to app. You can only give it from app to hello. You cannot give it from hello to app. See, it is unidirectional. Okay. Because one app will give the data, one app will receive the data. Okay. Clear this much? Understood? Understood props? Yes, Bhargav Prasad, correct. Okay, I will give this code. Okay, by deleting this node modules. Okay, I will delete this node modules folder. So when I will give you this app, what you have to do? Npm install. I will show you. I will delete this node modules folder. Okay, you don't delete it. You don't delete it. Okay, so I have deleted my node modules folder. Okay, and I am closing this. Okay, so this is the practice React tab. Okay, so what I will do, I will give it to you here. Okay, I will delete this practice React app and I will give you this folder. It is getting uploaded. How to run the app? See, okay. So I've given this in my folder. Okay, I'm sharing the folder link. Thanks, Bhargav. So this is the folder link. This is the folder link, guys. Okay. So it is getting shared. It is uploaded. Now, how will you use this? After downloading, what you have to do? Okay, after downloading, what you have to do? Can anyone tell me? What you will do after downloading? CD Pokédex collect Sridhar. Correct. 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 Good Sridhar. Good Siddharth. Good Chandani. See, first I want to get inside Pokédex. How will I do it? Change directory. Pokedex. Pokédex. Change directory. CD Pokédex. Change directory. CD Pokédex. You see this? Enter. Now you are inside Pokédex. Now you are inside Pokédex. Now there is no node modules folder. Node modules folder is important because it will give us a diary of all the existing node packages. Okay. And what is a node package? Node package helps us to run JavaScript outside of your Chrome browser. Okay. In your computer. JavaScript packages will run in your computer, but without Node.js, where you will not be able to run. So please check if Node.js is there. Okay. I hope everyone has Node.js. Now npm install. This is the second step. First step, change directory to Pokédex. Second step is npm install. So once npm install is done, npm run dev. Okay. So first is cd Pokédex, next is npm install, and last one is npm run dev. That's it. Okay. Correct, Bhargav Prasad. I will make another notepad if you want. Okay, for this. So let us make a notepad for this. Steps to run the React JS code. Okay. Number one. What? CD Pokédex. npm install. Run dev. Okay, so I will share the steps. Okay. And I'm removing the student manual. But if you want, let it keep it. Okay. So understood. So you have the steps also, steps directory. Okay. Wait, I have not uploaded, which I have uploaded week 3. Okay, so understood. So you have this notepad. You can open this notepad and check out the steps. Okay. CD Pokédex, npm install, npm run dev. Okay. Clear, everyone? Thanks, Bhargav Prasad. Okay. Understood, everyone? Aadhaar card, sir, IC porter Aadhaar card phone number is mismatch. I don't think it is any problem, Lalita. No, but Venkat Sai Durga, watching the videos is compulsory. That certification, if you want to give the exam, we will leave it up to you. But watching the videos is compulsory. Why am I getting like this? Let me see. Mm, what is wrong? Everything is good. You can refresh once. Everything looks okay. So see, React will like give you an update, okay, one by one. So if you do not hit refresh, React will automatically update and give new updates in a order. So I think this is what you are seeing. It is like first it was this object, okay, then you wrote this prop schema, then this, okay, then schema 22 sunni 20, okay. So if you will uh, click on save again, you will see save again, okay. Okay, this is what I think. No, it will not affect Kuruba. So understood, everyone? Everyone has the code. Try to run it, try to understand, okay. Try to play with the code a little bit, okay. I will add something more. Let's say Kuruba. Kuruba 20. And if I will see my app, I am seeing Kuruba 20. But I am seeing my old updates also. So if I click on the refresh myself, then only I'll be able to see this. So I'll just close it and you will see all these updates. Okay. Similarly, if you want to show a list, how will you show it? Very easy. If let's say you want to show an array list, okay. So like this. Okay. So I have this kiwi, mango, and coconut. Okay. And I want to display this. So I can easily use higher order function. Okay. Using higher order function, like map. Okay. So what I will do, parentheses ARR dot map. Okay. So this is our ARR array dot map. I will write it like this. And inside this, I will make a function. Okay. Remember callback function. So I'll make an anonymous function like this. So you guys complete it. Okay. I will stop it here. Okay. How will you like show this kiwi, mango, and coconut as a list here? Okay. So do it. React is very important. Okay. React is like very important if you are aiming for front end development. Okay. There is no escape from it. If you are more interested in let's say enterprise development, then you can look into Angular. But like React is like it will like I started with React, so I am a little bit biased. So okay, two dislikes. Why? Bro, at least give a reason. Why are you not understanding? Which part are you not understanding? At least point that out so I can repeat and I can like make you understand. Oh no, Botu, ServiceNow is different. ServiceNow learning platform is different. It is not related to this internship. Okay, guys, so I will close this now. Okay, I'll close this session. Hope you guys understood today's class. Hope it will be becoming more interesting because when we will build an app, you will understand things more clearly. These are just like basic building blocks. Okay, so I've shared the code on the Google Drive. YouTube Gentry, if you do not have the Google Drive, I'll share it again. Just look into my screen. Okay, just see it here. So this is the drive. Okay, YouTube Gentry, this is the drive. YouTube guys, those who are watching stream from YouTube, this is the drive where I've shared the code. Okay, and the steps are there in a notepad. Okay, clear? So I'll be closing this session. Okay, yes, Alekia, it will be uploaded. How to do MongoDB labs? Pranita is asking. See, when you will click on the lab, on the right hand side, you will see some instructions. Okay. Yes, Bolavarpo, it will be there on YouTube. On YouTube, all of the lectures are there, but the links are in Telegram group. Please, everyone, I am begging, please join the Telegram group. All of the videos are there. All of the links for each of the days are present there. Okay. Okay. So if there is anything, please let me know. I am closing the session. Okay. Anything else, guys? Yes, Alikya, it would be uploaded. Surya Teja, it would be uploaded. Tell the process. Pranita, which lab process? Lab process you want to see? Okay, wait. What was it? Mongo. Uh, Lab you want to see now? So this is the link. I hope everyone have shared the link. Okay. If you want me to share the link, MongoDB Node.js developer path, just see. So I'll just go back to dashboard. So there's some survey. Just wait, it is getting loaded. So Pranita, you are asking for labs, correct? So let us look into labs. Okay, what has happened? It is asking for company name. Put it NA. If sometimes it asks you for company or something. Name is not available. This is my dashboard. Okay. This is the MongoDB Node.js developer path, right? So I completed it in May. Okay, and my coupon was expired. So any lab, let's say this lab, okay? So make sure you have 100% complete when you do a unit. Always do 100%, okay? When I'll click on lab, I'll click on lab. So your lab would be loaded. When you click on any lab, here I'm looking into MongoDB CRUD lab. So go into any lab and you will have this launch button. So I'll click on launch. So it will take some time. So now I'll click on start button. So it is asking me to create a multi-document transaction with MongoDB driver. Okay. So see, it is telling you instructions. Okay. Follow the instructions. Like let's say open the app.js file in the IDE by clicking the file name. So let us click. Okay. Now it is, I am seeing the code. Now what? You will be responsible for only writing logic, for updating senders, balance, object, all these things. So you have to like, it will be here. Okay. All the instructions would be here. Okay. If by mistake, like you are facing any issues, you can look into hints. You can look into hints. Okay. Or you can look into the solved code also. So this is the review and solved code. So you'll already have the answer. Answer is here. This one. Okay. Here is the answer. Whole code is there. Okay. Then when you have to do it, you have to click on check. So see, I have 9 minutes to do this track. Okay. Pranita, now you understood. You have to look into the instructions only. After you will do it, you will see this green button, this green dot on the left hand side. You see this green? If it is yellow, that means you have not completed. If it is white, that means you have not done. Green means completed. Clear? Clear, everyone? Code will remain for 6 months. Check. Thank you, Bhargav Prasad, for MongoDB link. So guys, Bhargav Prasad has provided the link. Through that link only you have to do. Attendance, Yaramakula, that form link is expired, Yaramakula. Sir, we applied even though not showing an applied option. So who's this? Sham Kumar, you write it to teamsip@smartbit.com. Okay. Okay, guys, I'll close the session. I am only going to assign you, Satvika. Sir, your VS Code theme name. See, there is two themes that I use. One is Blue Loco Dark, and the second one is Monokai Pro. Monokai Pro. Okay, I'll just show you. Sham, Sham Kumar, you see this? You mail to this email ID. Okay, you mail your problem to this email ID. Okay. Also, if it is regarding IIC portal, contact your college faculty. Okay. So there is this Monokai Pro theme, this which I use. Also, I use sometimes Blue Loco Dark. Okay. Sometimes I use this, but most of the time I use this Monokai Pro only. Okay, guys, I'll stop the session now. Thank you for your time. Okay. Whatever details are there, will be giving you. Please look into the Telegram. Okay, bye guys. Let us learn React more. Also, please try to revise stuff and try to run code on your system also. Okay, guys, bye. Thank you for your time. Bye, everyone. Bye bye. Sir, what is the course that need to be completed? Uh, which course, bro? Check out Telegram group. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Thank you for your time. Bye, bye.